In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up alerts and notifications in Power BI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get notified when a key number moves, so you don't have to keep checking reports manually. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Power BI service at app.powerbi.com. Sign into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, pick one of your reports that contains the metric you care about. This could be a KPI, a card showing a single value, or any visual that summarizes a number you want to keep an eye on. With the report open, look to the top area of the page and click Set Alert. If you're not seeing that option, make sure you're working in the Power BI service, in a workspace where you have permission to create alerts and that you've selected a visual that supports alerting on a single numeric value. When you click Set Alert, a panel will slide in on the right side of the screen. In this panel, start by choosing what you want to monitor. Select the specific field or visual that represents the value you want to track. A good rule of thumb is to pick a single number that clearly reflects your goal, like total sales, inventory on hand, or average satisfaction. Next, choose the trigger. You can have the alert fire when the value changes or when it becomes a specific condition. Changes simply means any update will notify you after a refresh. Becomes allows you to define a threshold, such as becomes greater than 10,000 or becomes less than 50. Use becomes when you need to know the moment a target is crossed, and use changes when any movement matters and you just want to stay informed. Then decide where you want the notification to be sent. You can receive it directly in the Power BI service via email and on mobile if you're using the app. Pick the destination that best fits how you monitor your data during the day. If you're worried about too many alerts, remember you can always come back and adjust these settings. When everything looks good, click apply. Your alert is now active. From here on, when your data refreshes and meets the trigger you set, Power BI will send the notification exactly where you asked. If you ever need to fine-tune or pause the alert, just return to the same area, open the alert panel and edit or turn it off. That's it. You've set up alerts and notifications in Power BI. Now you can focus on decisions, not dashboards.